Alright, the plan is to put these bumpers on the 280, and we've got all skillet brackets for them, front and rear brackets, 240 to 280Z conversion brackets. We've got these skillet bumper mounts. Work out how they go. And then move it up the way I want. So I'm out at the bottom of the ear dam, ended up bolting, bolt through there, and there's one nut and bolt there, one there on both sides, and that's pretty sturdy. This is a fiberglass ear dam, and I'm pretty happy how it mounts. There was a little bit on the other side, not the best fitment on this side. As for the bumper, I put a couple of washers down here to space it out. It's not really the best right here, but it's tight here. It's tight here. As you can see, I can't quite see. It's tight there, but this side's not tight, so a couple more adjustments, hopefully I can get it. I might have to space out the skillet brackets more on this side, bring it out, and hopefully that will work. This side has 3 washers to space it out. The rear mounted up with skillet brackets, brackets down here, and I just drilled a hole in the side of the body to mount that bumper up. But it's pretty tight at the body, which is good. You can see one bolt through there. That's pretty solid.